Meet the sewing stars of Reading Sewing Bee. My name is Vitana, that's me there. I'm a sewing teacher and costume maker. I've been teaching the Perfect Fit self-made wardrobe at the Reading Sewing Bee. These sewing stars have been learning to draft their own patterns using the Lutterloh pattern drafting system. After drafting the pattern to their measurements, they've made a test garment out of a calico just to check the fit and the style, and then they've made it up into their final garments. And in true Sewing Bee style, here they are showing off their final garments. This is Linda. She made a nice button-through dress with a nice long flowy skirt. It's actually two different dresses that she combined. And the fabric is a duvet set from IKEA. This is Lucinda, and she made this asymmetrical blouse. Really cute, isn't it? And this is Jenny. She made a dress that's got an invisible zip in the back and this nice tie detail at the front. And lastly, this is Mockle. She never actually finished her dress because she chose quite a complex pattern, but it's looking really good. I'm running the Perfect Fit Self-Made Wardrobe again in September, and if you'd like to participate, then head on over to my bio and look for in-person workshops.